Hey everyone, I am Kathy from Kathy Creates, where I try to inspire you to create. And I'm hopping on live just to show you this cute little sign that we came up with a couple weeks ago. And I think it is the coolest thing ever. So I wanted to show you guys how this thing works. So let me pull this up over here so I can see comments. When you get here, say hello. Let me know you're here. Let me get us pulled up. Hello, Leona. Thanks for hopping on with me. Okay, I think we got it now. All right, so what I wanted to show was this adorable little sign that we made. Hey, Leona. I think this thing is just the coolest thing ever. Okay, so it's a welcome sign to hang on your front door or inside your entryway, whatever you want to do. And it's got this little Velcro dot. And I have 23 different little discs or pieces that have matching Velcro on the back that you can just stick on there and have a new welcome sign. And you can center them up, you know, better. I just slapped that one on there. But you can center them up and move them around, and it is just the coolest sign ever. So we have, these four are the four that come with the sign. So we have spring, summer, we have sunshine for summer. Let me show you the sunshine. Look how cute that is. We have the sun for summertime. We have, for fall, we have this cute little maple leaf, and of course you can decorate these any way you like that match your aesthetic, your home, you know, whatever you got going on. And then for winter we have this little snowflake. Okay, I mean, look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Hello, Deborah, thanks for hopping on. So those are the four that come with the sign in the link. Okay, so these four are the four that come with it. Now I have a total of, I think there's 23 different designs. Okay, so for your summer patriotic holidays, we've got this little heart. Red, white, and blue. Of course, you can paint it any way you like. So we've got the little heart. We also have, for summertime, little flower. You can decorate this again any way you like. Okay. We have an Easter bunny. Or a bunny for spring/Easter, however you would like to do them. Okay, so we have our bunny. We also have a cross you could use any time of the year. Easter, Christmas, just whenever. Okay, I don't have that centered very well on there. We have a little ghost for Halloween. Okay, gotta press him on. And these are going to stay. I have put these on and off a zillion times, and they don't, the Velcro sticks, they don't come off. Okay, it's for St. Patrick's Day. We have a little shamrock. Okay. We have a Christmas tree, or just a pine tree, however you want to use it. All right. We have flip-flops for summertime. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hard to get them on and off. They stick very well. We have a football for all those football fans out there, or moms with kids in sports. Excuse me. Staying on the sports theme, we have a soccer ball. Okay. I mean, look how cute this is. We have a basketball. We have a baseball. Okay. We have an Easter egg. All right. I just think these are so cute. I am in love with this sign. I think this is just the coolest thing. To celebrate those birthdays. You know, you're having family over, you got a big birthday celebration going on. You know, you can get a couple of these, paint them different colors for the different, you know, folks. So maybe, you know, you want to do a blue one or a green one for the men in your life, or, you know, someone's favorite color, any of those things. And we have another star that you can do for, you know, any season you'd like. And we have our candy corn. I love this guy. Look how cute he is. Now, of course, you paint these however you want. This kit comes unpainted. You can get it just, you know, and get whatever you want. Like I said, these four are the four that come with it. All these other ones are add-ons. The add-ons are separate. Let me look. I should have known the price. I don't remember what we priced this at. Excuse me one moment. Let me pull it up real quick. And I can tell you. I know what we're selling it at craft shows completed, but I think it's different on the website because it's not completed. So let me pull this up. I'm so sorry. Should have done this ahead of time. Let's keep going. Okay, so we got our little pumpkin. I mean, look how cute that is. We got a little heart, another heart, a different heart that you can do any way you like. Excuse me. Pulling it up as we speak. Gotta find it. I think it's on this next page. And then the last one is this little watermelon. How cute is this? Oh, come on. Where is it? It's got to be on the next page. There it is. Okay. It is $35 for these four. Now, again, these are not painted. You would paint these however you like. Okay. So you're going to get the base sign, this sign with all the pieces. And remember, all of our pieces have sticky back. These do not because they have the Velcro. Okay. Now, like this one, the little sunglasses and the little flower, the flower and the sunglasses have the sticky back so that you can, you know, put them together. But then each individual piece does not because it has the Velcro to make it stick. Okay. And then the add-ons are $18 for 4. I think there's one with 3 that's only $15. Yes. And that includes shipping. All of our stuff includes shipping. So I hope that helps. So it's $35 for the base sign and $18 for the add-ons that have 4 and $15 for the add-ons that have 1. Okay. I think this is super cute. I just love it. We're going to be adding more to it. And also, keep in mind that these are great sizes for tiered tray kits. Okay, so if you wanted to use these on your tiered tray, so say you wanted to use all of the sports ones. Sports ones are all together, so you would get these 4 sports ones. Okay, so you could put these all on your tiered tray. Or, you know, like say, okay, so it's fall, and we're going to put our, well, it's crooked, but you're going to put your leaf on your sign, but then you're going to put these 4 out, okay? Or you could put your football, your pumpkin, your ghost, your candy corn. You can put all of those out on your tiered tray, okay? So, yes, you're going to have your Velcro on the back, but you could also put this on, we have them on our website, the blanks for tiered tray. They're little 4x4 little pieces of wood that you can paint and then, you know, plop this on it as well. So they're great size for both things, for both the sign and your tiered tray. So anyways, that's what I wanted to show y'all. I wanted to hop on real quick and just show you how cute is this sign. I just love it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. And I am very proud of this sign, and I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. I think it's great. So we've been asked for this many times from many different people, both locally and online, if we had an interchangeable sign. So we did it. We finally tackled it, and we've got it. It's ready for y'all. So let me know what you think, and thanks for hopping on. I'm going to hop off here and let you all go. Hey, Linda, I'm just about getting off here, so you might want to go back and watch the replay, but this is our interchangeable sign. Let me grab the 4 that come with it. So the 4 pieces that come with it are this and this, okay? So you got the snowflake, the sunshine, because we have, let's see, spring, summer, fall, and winter, okay? So we have these 3 that are 4 that come with the sign for $35 shipped to your house, okay? You're going to get all of the wood pieces, and you are going to get the Velcro that goes with it, okay? All right, guys, I'm hopping off. Thanks for watching, and I will be back live soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.